Hey gang, this is Greg here with Cornhole Central. I wanted to show you real quick how you can easily add an event that you're promoting to the group BagzTourneys and also to Cornhole Central's web-based calendar of events. So if you go to any event that you want to share, it could be yours or somebody else's, click the little share icon here, do share to a group, find BagzTourneys in there, and click share. Then it will put it into the group. So that's been shared. So now I will close this out, go to BagzTourneys. I should see it shared in the feed right up top. Greg Barr shared an event, but any of you can do this too. And then if you go to the events tab, you'll see all the events that people have shared into this group. This one's all the way on October 31st, so we'll need to click down. You can see these are all events that people have shared. I guess I should have added one that was today. But in any case, when we get to October 31st, oh boy. One more. This should do the trick. Boom, there you go. Bishop Newman Speech and Theater Cornhole Fundraiser. So you can then flag if you're interested or going or whatever. And we're working on a system right now where this will automatically be added to the web calendar. Currently, we have to go in and do that manually every couple of days. But in any case, we're aiming to make this the best way for you to promote your tournaments, and in so doing, create the best way for you to find tournaments, whether that's within Facebook or on the web. So thank you very much for your time. And if you have any questions, let me know. Cheers.